Cue the spotlight. On center stage, the riveting, the radiant, the red birds. These feathery friends aren't just pretty faces, oh no, they're full of surprises. Did you know the northern cardinal, a redbird extraordinaire, doesn't migrate? They stick around, braving the cold like they've got something to prove. Talk about a tough cookie. And how about the scarlet tanager? This bird trades in its fiery red feathers for a dull green every winter, like it's playing dress-up. A fashionista in the avian world, perhaps? Then there's the vermilion flycatcher who, despite its name, doesn't catch flies in a jar, but mid-air, like an acrobat with wings. So next time you see a redbird, remember, they're not just a splash of color in the sky, but a spectacle of nature's quirkiest quirks. Until then, keep your eyes to the skies.